Assessment for applying the sterile gloves via the open method. First, assess the glove package and assess the local environment. For the implementation, wash hands. Second, remove the outer wrapper from the package. Place the inner wrapper onto a clean, dry surface. Surface should be at or above the waist height level. Open inner wrapper to expose gloves. Identify right and left hand, glove dominant hand first. Grasp the 2-inch wide cuff with the thumb and first two fingers of the non-dominant hand, touching only the cuff. Gently pull the glove over the dominant hand. Hold hands above the waist while applying gloves. Once dominant hand is gloved, keep hands visible and above waist to prevent accident contamination. With the gloved dominant hand, slip your fingers under the cap of the other glove. Gently slip the glove onto non-dominant hand. Be careful not to drag glove or touch gloved dominant hand with ungloved non-dominant hand. With gloved hands, interlock fingers to fit the gloves onto each fingers. If the gloved are soiled, remove as follows. Slip gloved fingers of the dominant hand under the cap of the opposite hand, or grasp the outer part of the glove at the wrist if there is no cuff. Pull the glove down to the fingers, exposing the thumb. Slip the uncovered thumb into the opposite glove at the wrist. Pull the glove down over the dominant hand almost to the fingertips and slip the glove onto other hand. Pull the glove over the dominant hand so that only inside is exposed. Dispose of soiled gloves and wash hands.